Are you looking for the best rack cutting machine in the market right now? You are in the right place. Hello everyone, hope you are all doing wonderfully. Today's video is for this beautiful rack cutting machine, and this one is a real MVP in this process. As many of you already know, rack cutting is most used in mechanical works to convert rotary motion into continuous linear motion. For example, in the transport field, like in the transmission system in steep incline railways, or for steering systems in cars manufacturing. If you are into racks production, you must have this beast. The mechanical parts in this one are smooth and accurate in every movement. From Lorenz, the brand of this machine, you can only expect the best performance in this sector. This model has a workpiece length of 400 millimeters, while the width goes up to 2,200 millimeters, and a maximum module of 8 to 10. It is impressive how well this rack cutter takes full advantage of his limits. With a stroke of 180 millimeters and a working length of 1,850 times 160 millimeters, the precision and the qualities of his racks will for sure satisfy you. What do you think? You like this one? It is a super nice machine. We like it so much that we have 2 of this exact model in our branches right now, and we really hope that if you are near us, you will visit and see it yourself. Find all our contacts and locations over laxmi-usedmachine.com or in the description below. Leave a like to support this channel and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.